Welcome to my channel. Hi guys. Today I would like to show you how to use Kente cloth to style any garment like this, flare from waist to the knee, and from using organza to design from shoulder to the waist. I wanted to do this pattern. That's why I took it from painting, and I'm going to use Kente fabric and organza to make the style. So let's get do it. So I'm doing the tracing. It's from here. This is size 44, so I'll add allowance to it so that it will pass me. This is the front side. Front side. And I'm going to trace the back side. But I'm going to do embroidery on the neck, so I'm not going to cut the neck right now. Single one. So now I'm going to transfer this design into my Yanome embroidery machine, and I've already placed the cloth that I want to do, the cloth that I want to design. I'll make only the one side the design, and the other side, the left side, so it is a little bit like wave. So I'm still doing it, and I'm going to join the side and side but the side too I will do some also flare to join it, like the to join it. So let's get to now. I'm going to draw the sleeve on this paper pattern. So